Hello students, welcome in this video. I hope you are enjoying the study. Stay safe, stay indoors with your family. In this video, I will solve exercise 2.1 completely, okay? Because it's very easy and it is on page number 25. This is the page number 25. So, the points which I am going to tell you are addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line, because you know how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, but in this video you will learn how to perform these operations on number line, and it's very interesting really. So let's continue. There are total 6 questions and we will complete this exercise in this video. First is represent the following numbers on the number line. Now there are 6 numbers, so I will tell you. You have to draw a number line using a ruler and pencil. Ruler means scale, okay, and write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, first number is 2. Simply it is 2. Then 3, it is 3. 5, 7. Then 11 and 14. So it's very easy, and on the number line you have to start with 0. Okay, put arrow and also start with 0 and keep continue writing the counting. So the biggest number is 14, then you have to just mention up to 15 till 15, okay? Then simply make a circle around this dot, around the dot which is corresponding to the given number. And second question. Now remaining questions are important. Write the successor of each of the following numbers. Here I will solve only first part because second and okay, I will solve first and second part. Now third part will be solved by you as a part of your homework. It is 1,00909. So this number is 1,909 and find the successor. So you have to perform addition and add 1 to the given number. Whenever you have to find out the successor, add 1. Now it is 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, it is 1. It is 9001. So the given number is 1,909 and the answer is 1,910. Second part, 34900. Now the successor will be obtained by adding 1. So it is 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 9, 4, 3. Answer is 34,901. This is the answer of first question of 2.1. And answers are given in your book 1,00910 and 34901. Okay students, note it down. Third question. Write the predecessor of each of the following. Predecessor is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. So first is 1000 and you want to find the predecessor, subtract 1 from the given number. As you know how to subtract if there are the zeros. So 0 -1 is not possible. We cannot take borrow from zeros, so take borrow from this 1, it becomes 10, but you have to give borrow to this number, it becomes 10, and again take a borrow from this number, it becomes 10. So what is the short method? If they are continuous zeros, convert the last 0 into 10 and the remaining zeros into 9. It is 10 minus 1, 9, it is 9, 9 and nothing else. So the answer is 999. Second part, 7 0 7 0 0 and perform the subtraction. Again you cannot perform 0 minus 1, so you have to take borrow from this 7, it becomes 6, it becomes 9, it becomes 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9, this is 9, this is 6 0 7. So the predecessor is 70,699. Okay, note it down. Fourth question is, represent each of the following on number line. Here first part is 3 plus 2, so draw a number line. As you know, 3 plus 2 is 5, but we have to perform on the number line. So start with 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. What is the sum? 3 plus 2 is 5. तो आपको 5 से एक ज़्यादा नंबर मेंशन करना है, 6 and 7. ओके, either 6 or 7, till 6 or 7 is sufficient. Now start with 3. 3 means you just start from 0 and mark the point 3. Okay, reach to the point 3, then plus 2. If there is a plus sign, you have to move to right hand side. If there is minus sign, you have to move to the left hand side. Plus 2 means 2 more, so it is 1 2. This is the answer. Okay, and the answer is 5. And second part is 4 plus 5. Again draw a number line. You can see 4 plus 5 is 9, so mark up to 10. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is 4, so start with 0 and reach up to 4, then plus 5. Okay, so plus 5 is 1 2 3 4 and 5. The answer is 9. As you know, 4 plus 5 is 9, and the answers are also given in your book. So exercise 2.1. Okay students, note it down. Now question number 5, it is related to subtraction. First part is 7 minus 2. Okay, so you know 7 minus 2 is 5 simply. So this is the bigger number, means you have to mention up to 7 numbers. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is 7, so start with 7. Okay, put your pen at this location, okay, which denotes 7. Then minus 2, I told you minus means you have to move to the left hand side. सबसे पहले आपको 7 से स्टार्ट करना है, फिर माइनस 2 मीन्स 2 पोजीशन आपको मूव करना है लेफ्ट में, तो 1 2. ओके, एंड द आंसर इज गिवन इन योर बुक, so you can check it. But there is one more thing. See, I tell you, in a proper way as given in your book. Listen, this is 7, so start with 0 and reach at 7. Then this is minus 2, move 2 move 2 positions leftward. Okay, 1 2 and this is the answer. And I solve third part. So in this question I am not going to solve second part because this will be the part of your homework. It is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Again it's very simple. So draw number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Start with 6. So start from 0 and reach up to 6. Now it is minus 2. Again move 2 positions left to the left hand side, first and second. Okay, so 2 positions towards left and this is the answer, because 6 minus 2 is 4. And on the number line we can also find the answers about addition or subtraction. Students, note it down. Question number 6. Okay, 6 is using the number line find. Okay, 3 into 3. As you know, 3 3s are 9. So you have to mention up to 9 at least. 9 तक आपको मेंशन करना है. ओके, लिसन 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It doesn't matter if you write up to more than 9. It doesn't matter. Okay, now 3 3s are 9. So first you have to notice the second number, means it is multiplied by 3. So this number is 3. It means you have to reach up to 3. Then 3 is repeated 3 times. It means you have to repeat the distance of 3 units 3 times. As you can see, ये जो 0 से 3 तक 3 यूनिट्स की डिस्टेंस होती है, इसको आपको रिपीट करना है. सो सेम थिंग यू हैव टू रिपीट 1 2 3. This is 2 times and 1 2 3. This is 3 times and the answer is 9. What I have done here, listen carefully. From 0 to 3 there are 3 units. So we have moved 3 units 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, and the answer is 9. So it is first part and I solve second part, that is 3 into 5. Again 3 into 5 is 15. So you have to write the numbers up to 15 at least. This is the number 9. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Mention the numbers 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. See, focus at the second number. It is 5 and it is repeated 3 times. Okay, so where is 5? This is 5 and the distance from 0 is 5 units. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to repeat this same operation 3 times. देखिए 0 से 5 units. After 5, if we add 5 we will obtain 10. So it is 2 times and again 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 is 15, 3 times. This is the answer. Okay, so here what we are doing, हम इस 5 यूनिट को 3 टाइम्स रिपीट कर रहे हैं. ये 5 यूनिट्स होंगी 1 टाइम 2 टाइम्स 3 टाइम्स and the answer is 15. So students, you will solve remaining part of each questions. I have solved few parts. बाकी जो भी पार्ट मैंने यहाँ पे मिस किए हैं वो आपको होमवर्क में करने हैं. एंड आई होप you enjoyed these topics. Best of luck for your assignment.